Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to Docent of Curls. My name is Taslim and in today's video I am going to show you how to refresh your curls. By the way, I wash my hair once every 2 weeks and my hair was in a bun for a little over a week and this is day 8 of my wash and go. Usually when I'm not going anywhere, I put my hair up in a bun, and you know when you leave your hair in a bun for a really long time, it's going to cause some tangles. So this is my little routine. If you want to know how I bring back my curls to life, then keep on watching. Alright guys, so as you can see, I've already finished this section, but we're going to do the other section together. First thing first, what you want to do is section your hair off into small parts where it will be very easy to detangle. Then I'm going to grab my water bottle. Inside I like to put in some leave-in mixture. I'm going to spray and make my hair really wet and also finger detangle at the same time. Now I'm going to grab my Cantu Shea Butter Daily Oil Moisturizer. It's what's going to eliminate any frizz and restore moisture in my hair. Then I'm going to grab my Eco Styler Gel. This gel is everything. This gel is what's going to define my curls and make them pop even on my day 8 of my wash and go. I love this gel. So guys, that is what I do to refresh my curls. I'm going to do all those steps all over my hair and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I am back and right now all I'm doing is scrunching my hair, and now I'm gonna go in with this new Cantu hairspray. This spray is what's going to hold all my curls in place and also eliminate any frizz. This is my first time using it and I am very impressed. So now I'm gonna go in with this Chai heat protectant because I'm going to use a diffuser to diffuse my hair. I'm just spraying that all over my hair just to get a good coating. So what you want to do is put your diffuser on a cool setting or just medium setting. I like to do both, but right now I'm using medium settings. Once I'm done, I'm going to go in with this new argan oil treatment. I like to use this oil on my hair first because it makes my hair really soft, and second, it smells so good. So I like to use it last on my hair. And yeah guys, that is what I do to refresh my curls, and then I go about my day. This is also what I do to make my wash and go last very long, for more than 7 days. But yeah guys, if you did enjoy this video, please like, comment and share it. And also don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell on for my future uploads. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in my next video. Bye!